Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. Hey everybody. And as I've said, we are remodeling our home. So today I am in Floor and Decor. They have things for your backsplash. They have everything in the store, and this is their new store. But it is nice. So this is for our full bathroom in the basement. I actually really like this. This is really nice. His and her. I love that soaking tub. Very nice. Like that. It's very nice there. That would be for my master closet, for my master bedroom. That could go very nicely in my closet. Let's see if we can. I could sit there in my vanity. I have a little seat there. A shower. And I've already lost my husband. He's already in the store somewhere. I have no idea where he is. They have granite. They have laminated. They have hardwood flooring. All kind of accessories for your kitchen, your bath. It's really, really nice. So I am looking for also for my kitchen. All right, guys. So this is the laundry room idea. We have cabinets in our laundry room above the washer and dryer. I don't want the cabinets anymore. It looks old-fashioned. So I'm going to come in this style with some shelving. And then I have the washer and dryer. And I do like the granite. So you can use this as a folding. Use this as a folding station. Then you could put like your detergents and things, but I would probably have this closed in so that you cannot see your laundry detergents and things like that. But that's coming down the line. And then of course we don't have a pet, but this is pretty cute. That's for you to wash your pet. They need love too, right? Okay, so I'll be back. Nice little sitting area, maybe like for entertaining company. But this is not why I'm here, so I'm gonna come off. So we got tile and stone. And we got wall tile. And then this warehouse is huge. It is huge and it's so nice. Coming from before when they had just like a small warehouse, everything was all dusty and close together. But guys, if you have a Floor and Decor, they deliver. Oh, look, that's funny. They say we deliver. Where's this one? We deliver. LOL. So they have an app, guys. So if you want to go to your phone, if you're interested in it, go to your phone and grab up their app, Floor and Decor. That's pretty neat there. I like that stonework. And back there is porcelain. So we're gonna go down all the aisles, so because we don't quite know what we want to get for sure. Something else they had here. And then they give the how-to classes, free how-to classes, which, okay, I'm going down this aisle here and I'll be back if I see anything really, really neat. But these are some of the toweling. So also they do backsplash and things like that for your kitchen and bathroom. So these are really neat too. So they're very limited on the fixtures here. So we'll be going somewhere else to look for fixtures. I don't want to do Home Depot or Lowe's because they're just like overrated. Oh, we're gonna go down to Miami Circle though, right? Miami Circle? Are we going to Miami Circle?
Yeah, we're gonna go there.
All right. So we're adding a shower in one of the bathrooms, and then we're adding a half bath on the main floor. So yeah, guys, you know, I got a lot to do, so, but these are really nice. I really like that one. I really like that, really do. So we're now down in the hardwood floor area. You have to really be careful because it looks hardwood, but it's not. This is laminate, and it's really actually pretty, but it's laminate. So we're going to the hardwood area, so hang in there, guys. So guys, going down to the solid hardwood, which is what I love. I have magnolia, I'm sorry, do I have magnolia? I think mine is mahogany or cherry wood. I forgot what it is. So I'm gonna go and look for the one because I kind of like the ones in my dining room, and I want to just make the whole floor the same hardwood. And the dining room is in such great shape, so we never go in there, no more than me doing videos. And I just want to go ahead and get the same one and just go through the whole entire floor. And I'll show you a picture of it when I get back to the house. So the one in my dining room is maple. Let's see, they have the molding here, which we got to get new molding. Like I said, the one in my dining room is maple. It's kind of like that, but it's kind of like this one, but it's a really glossy, shiny color. So you'll see it again. I'll take a picture of it when I get back to the home. And that's the one we have is maple, right? So we have maple, and like I said, you have to order it because they don't really make the one that I have here anymore. So we have to order it or go pick it up in South Carolina. I think it's South Carolina or North Carolina. But this is the scale of how the hardwood is. See if I can do that where you guys can see it. I'll hold it there for a second. Guys, go ahead, screenshot, 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 screenshot. Here we go. Then we have, they gave installation tips if you want to do your hardwood flooring on your own. We did ours years ago. We ain't doing that kind of work no more. Somebody else gonna do it for us. So go ahead, screenshot, 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 screenshot. All right, guys. I just want to show you guys this one, and this is the white oak. Right there. So white oak. But guys, okay, I'm headed to the car. We're going to another location, so I'll be back with you. Maybe it'll be a part 2 video. Haha. Content, content, content. As promised, guys, here is my maple hardwood floors in my dining room that's going to now be part of the open concept in the kitchen and the sunroom. And that is very easy to care for, and it's very nice and shiny. It's beautiful hardwood flooring. So that concludes my video for today. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye for now.